All right, and once we're familiar with Redux Toolkit, now let's put our knowledge to good use and build a big project. And the application we're going to work on is called Jobster, where the user will be able to track job application progress. So think all the CRUD operations regarding job applications, which are create, edit, delete, and view all jobs. Before I showcase the project, let me stress a few things. First, since it's a big project and there are many new things that we need to learn, I'm not going to spend extra time on explaining every smallest detail when it comes to the concepts we already have covered during the course. So, my expectation is that you have completed the following course sections: React Router 6, Axios, and of course, the Redux Toolkit tutorial. And if you're still iffy about something, your best bet is going to be referencing those sections directly. And if necessary, rewatch some videos. Since in this project, we'll straight up just implement them. Basically, we'll hit the ground running. Now, as far as the main goals of the application, there are two of them. Since it's a bigger application, we'll learn how to structure such app using Redux Toolkit. So this is going to be an awesome practice. So think create few slices and communicate between them. And second is the communication between the server and the front-end application. You see, when it comes to modern and complex front-end projects, realistically, there's always a backend. So a server that is responsible for handling the data, and the front end is responsible for making HTTP requests. Now, that doesn't mean just getting the data from the server. That also means creating the resources, updating them, deleting them, and all of that cool stuff. So during this project, we are going to learn not only how to request resources from the server, but also add, edit, and delete resources on the server, which we are going to do with the help of various HTTP methods and requests. And don't worry, of course, we'll cover all of this in greater detail during the project. Also, we'll learn how to set up authorized requests, since all our dashboard routes will be protected. And also, we'll learn how the query string params and pagination work when the server is handling the heavy lifting. So long story short, during this project, you'll learn how to set up more complex HTTP requests, log in and register the user, restrict the user from accessing certain resources, and in general, learn a modern application setup where server is the data provider and the front end is responsible for displaying the data and communicating with the server.